is the ear model. Ear model. This is a pinna, right? Pinna. This is external auditory canal. External auditory canal, and the sound extracts in the tympanic membrane. This one right here. Okay, this is the tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane, and you can see there is a 3 ossicles bones attached in the tympanic membrane. Okay, the 3 bones. They are called this one hammer. Look like hammer. This is in malleus. Malleus. This one is the malleus. Another side. This one is a incus. This is incus. Malleus incus, and this incus is attached with this this bone, small tiny bone right here. This is called stapes. Okay, and this stapes, actually this one is the eardrum right here. Malleus incus and stapes is this one, and the stapes is connected with the attached with this oval window, right? Oval window. So oval window actually sends signal when it vibrates. It signals to the internal ear. This one is the external ear, and this is the middle ear, right? And this one is Eustachian tubes, and this one is the internal ear. This area is the internal ear. Okay, so if you remove this one right here, this one is a stapes. Okay, stapes, and they have a stapes in the oval window, and another window also you have a round window. Okay, I'll show you again. This one is called semicircular canal. Okay, and the anterior, middle, anterior, posterior, and lateral. You have to know. I will show you here. Okay, and this one is called cochlear nerve, and this one is called vestibular nerve. So I'm gonna go here and I'll show you. See right here. Okay, this one is a cochlea. Okay, cochlea. Look like snail-like structure. Cochlea. In the middle one, this area right here, this area is called vestibule. Vestibule labyrinth. Sometimes we say vestibule labyrinth. A vestibule. In the vestibule is for the balance. So vestibule, there are 2 structure where the receptors are found. That's what this bulging area. This is called, upper one is called utricle, and bottom one is called sacu. Remember utricle, remember uterus? Yes. Utricle and sacu. Sacu is smaller than utricle. And you can see the nerves innervating this area, nerves coming from this area. These nerves are called vestibular nerve because this area is the vestibule. That's why this is the vestibular nerve. And they also connect with the lymphatic duct. This duct is called lymphatic duct and lymphatic sac. Okay, lymphatic duct and lymphatic sac. Vestibule and saccule is for balancing of the body. We're going to learn more detail in the lecture. And there are 3 semicircular canal. Okay, the 3 semicircular canal. This one is called anterior semicircular canal. Okay, this is a posterior semicircular canal, posterior, and this is a lateral semicircular canal. All this canal has this kind of raised bump area. This is called ampule. Ampule has some receptors in there. Okay, ampule, and they are connected with the vestibular nerve. They innervated by the vestibular nerve, and this semicircular canal is for detection of the circular motion. The semicircular, the vestibular apparatus right here, these are also responsible for the movement and equilibrium. And this vestibular nerve, and this one is ganglia, comes in the ganglia, and it becomes vestibular nerve. This is the vestibular nerve right here. And all the nerve from the cochlea comes to the cochlea, and it becomes cochlear nerve. All the nerve coming out from the cochlea becomes cochlear nerve. And these 2 nerves come together, it becomes vestibulocochlear nerve, which is a cranial 8th nerve, right? They are called vestibulocochlear nerve. So if you remove this part right here, remove this part, you'll see there's a area, 3 areas, cavities, right? They are called, you sit down, they're watching. Tympanic, vestibular duct, tympanic duct, and in the middle, cochlear duct. Okay, the middle is cochlear duct. I'll show you here also. This one is called vestibular duct. This one is a this one is a vestibular duct, cochlear duct. This one is a tympanic duct. Okay, so this is the upper portion. This one is also called this one is a vestibular duct, and the membrane is called vestibular membrane, and this one is the basilar membrane. Okay, and this area is called organ of Corti, and basilar membrane. And you can see here small, tiny three hair cells. They are called external hair cells. Okay, and this one is a internal hair cell. And in the top of the hair cell, you can see this hair-like structure. This is called cilia. Okay, the cilia actually, when the sound wave comes out from the vestibular duct, they have a perilymph. Okay, vestibular duct has perilymph. Cochlear duct has endolymph, and temporal lymph has also perilymph. And the vestibular, the perilymph comes towards the endolymph and vibrates this vestibular membrane as well as basilar membrane. And when this vibrates, and this hair-like structure, okay, rub into the tectorial membrane, right? Tectorial membrane. And what happens? The hair cell will depolarize, and that action potential travels through this through this nerve axon, afferent neuron, which is also called first order neuron, and it will reach up to the ganglia. Okay, this is the spiral ganglia. This is called spiral organ of Corti. Whole structure is called spiral organ of Corti, and this structure is spiral ganglia. Okay, from there you can see the cochlear nerve passes through it, and this cochlear nerve and vestibular nerve come together, becomes vestibulocochlear nerve. Okay. One more thing I have to tell you here. This one is called this structure right here. They are bony labyrinth, and inside the bony labyrinth, this pink structure is called perilymph. Okay, and this structure, gray structure, is called endolymph. Okay, which is also called membranous labyrinth. Bony labyrinth, inside membranous labyrinth, right here, membranous labyrinth. Inside the membranous labyrinth, we have endolymph. Okay, and below the bony labyrinth, you have a perilymph. Okay, this purple color, pink color is a perilymph. Okay, perilymph, and they are surrounded by the lymph. And this one is lymphatic duct and lymphatic sac. Okay, that's it. Thank you.